Hello Glams, welcome back to my channel. It's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad that you made it back. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button, hit the notification button. That way you will know when I'm uploading. I upload every week and I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up for my hard work. Today I'll be reviewing Wow Skin Science Hair Shampoo, Conditioner, and 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer. The reason I want to review this is because I've been testing it for 2 months and it has apple cider vinegar in it. Can you believe it? I am the apple cider vinegar guru. If we take it inside our bodies, why not use it on our hair? The reason I love this product is because it's made with apple cider vinegar and it has something that's called an ECO certification, which means it's organic and natural. It's certified to be an organic and natural product. So that really caught my attention. So let's dig into the product. The first thing I want to look at is the shampoo. It smells great. I thought it would smell like apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar is not pleasing to the nose. You can tell it's in there. It's very clear and it has a yellow tint to it. And next I want to look at the conditioner. The conditioner reminds me of a mayonnaise consistency and it has a lot of slip in it. Not only does the conditioner smell great, but it also has great products inside the conditioner. It has organic virgin coconut oil, avocado oil, along with wheat protein. Here is the consistency. Just like I said, it's like a thick mayonnaise and it gives your hair a lot of slip, which makes it easy to detangle in the shower. And here's the 3-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer. So I'm going to take the products into the shower and I'm going to show you how I use them. This is the shampoo and conditioner. First, I soaked my hair really good with water and applied the product. I use very gentle fingers to massage the product into my scalp. I use the shampoo only on my scalp by gently massaging it with my fingertips. I love that these products have no sulfates, no parabens, and no mineral oil. And after washing my hair, I rinse the shampoo out. Next, I take the conditioner and I take a couple pumps, and I really like the product with the dark packaging because the sun does not affect the ingredients, which is organic, inside the product. So I really love the dark color bottle and the pump. It made it easier to use. Next, I rinsed all the conditioner out, wrap my hair up, and let it sit for about 30 minutes and use the hair tie to tie my hair in a bun and just let it sit. Rinse the product out after 30 minutes and massage my scalp really good. I picked up the 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer leave-in and it has a spray to it and I sprayed it all over my hair. And this is how I use the products. This is my hair air dried. This is my natural texture, and all the product details will be listed down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching today. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye guys.